Crochet Vibes coming into you with another review. Lazimir, who is an Amazon store, reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in reviewing their 18-inch Passion Twist crochet hair, and I said, of course. If you go to the website, which the link will be listed below, the direct link to purchase the hair, they offer two different bundles. You can either go with the 6-pack, all the hair is 18 inches. 6-pack is $32.99. It comes in three different shades. You can go with your standard 1B, or you can do the ombre, which is a 1B and a 27, or a 1B and a 30. For the 7 packs of hair, it is $35.99. And again, you have different color options. You can do your standard 1B, or you can do the mixed ombre, the 1B and 27, or the 1B and 30. Each packs of hair comes with 22 total strands. I opted to go with the 7 bundles because I like my hair to be really full, and I did do the crochet style, which will be featured at the latter part of the video, the full install. If you follow the channel, you'll better understand why I decided not to do the individual passion twist using this hair, which this hair can be used for individual braiding, or you can do basic crochet styles. Some of the attributes and qualities of this hair, as per the website, it's no shedding, it's lightweight, it's great for protective styles. It's super soft, which I'm currently wearing, and it really is. It's a beautiful, beautiful synthetic hair. It's not harmful to the skin. It won't cause any irritations, and it's also easy to remove and maintain. Each pack of the hair, I received a total of 7. Each pack of the hair comes individually packaged, listing the color of the hair, also with the length of the hair, which is 18-inch. It also includes your crochet style for those for people who actually install their own hair, and you will also receive some hair accessories. Okay, in the latter part of the video, now you will see the full install of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're loving the vibes over here, please make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe to the channel, hitting your notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload videos. And as always, thanks so much for watching and enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.